Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna build a farmhouse table that I designed, and this thing is gonna be unique. So first thing, I'm gonna cut some of the legs first. I'm gonna design the feet in a very unique way. So what I have to do is actually joint the wood, and what I usually use is a level as a straight edge. I think it's better than using an actual jointer because I don't really have an industrial, like really good jointer. So this works great for me. So then once I'm done with the level, I flip it over and do the other side. Now what I'm gonna do is laminate 2x4s together, and I'm gonna just try to come up with an idea for the legs, the design here that I kind of drew up, and just getting a feel for it. I'm gonna have to bring it over to the bandsaw, but as you can see, this is what I came up with. So let's go with this. Okay, so now I have a template on some 1/8 plywood here, and I'm gonna take that over to the bandsaw. I'm gonna cut that out. Now this is not gonna be perfect. I'm gonna smooth it out on my belt sander. Okay, so this is what I came up with. Now it's time to draw this onto the legs, and then I'm gonna glue these boards up and laminate them, and I'm gonna clamp them. So this is a great way to make like a 4x4 out of 2x4s or a 6x6 or whatever, and just laminating boards. So I'm gonna get this thing clamped, and I'm gonna let it dry probably just for about an hour until it's strong enough for me to start cutting out the design. Okay, so now that everything's dry, clamps are off, I'm gonna take everything to the bandsaw and I'm gonna cut the feet out. And I'm just getting a rough cut because I'm gonna take it over to my belt sander and do a kind of a finish smoothing there. Okay, so this is what they look like, very rough. I'm gonna have to cut them to length first, and then I'm gonna bring them over to the belt sander, get them all smoothed out, and then I'm gonna start assembling this table. Okay, so the cabinet table thing, whatever you want to call this thing, I don't even know what you call this, but console table, hutch, buffet, whatever. This thing is coming along really well, guys. I'm really happy with it so far. I wasn't sure how it was going to come out. As you can see, I'm just fitting the drawer right now and the drawer face, and we're getting close to that point where I'm going to put the tabletop on and get this thing stained and painted. Another thing I'm doing actually is adding some little profiles of like a chamfer bit with my router, just to give it that extra detail on the drawer face and on the legs as well. So this adds a lot of detail, and it's going to just bring more of that professional look. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow, like the video. Remember, Jesus is Lord. And hey guys, if you want to watch more videos, I got more coming. And continue to watch to the end, see how this thing looks at the end. Have a great day, guys. Thanks.